Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
Hi friends, in this video I just going to show how to make number the paragraph or line or sentence or word on your Google Docs. So you just need to select the lines that you want to number. For an example, I need not to number this last word, so I just selected this 6 words. Then I just want to click here. You can see there was two options, bullet and number list. So if you want to number list, just click this, it will automatically number. But I want a special character of numbers for this. I don't want 1 2 3. So then you just click on the drop down menu. So the drop menu have a 6 type of numbering options. This is a 1 and this is normal actually, and the second is with that option, and the third will be like if you it will have a subcategory or that like this. Then sorry, and the fourth will be a like this. First I just going to select this and like A B C D. Then a fourth category is like Roman numbers. Then the fifth category will be 0 1 A B C D for the subcategory. So you can avail this numbering options by using this on Google Docs. So this method will help you to number any sentence or paragraph or words on Google Docs. So if you like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to watch the more videos about the Google Docs right now. Thanks for watching.